Hello, today I'm sharing a healthy cracker made with chickpea flour. These delicious crackers are easy and quick to bake. They are simply delicious and extremely crispy. Turn up the volume and hear it for yourself. The ingredients here yield crackers which go extremely well with Greek yogurt. I suggest using 1 teaspoon of dried cumin seeds if you plan to eat it on its own. Let's start off by preheating the oven. Add in chickpea flour into a big mixing bowl. Add in oil, paprika powder, dried cumin seeds, salt, and finally water. Mix it all up evenly. Pour some chickpea flour on a parchment paper. Using clean hands, spread it around. Proceed to knead the dough to form a long roll. Separate into 4 equal-sized dough pieces. I am rolling out each piece separately. I find it more manageable as the dough is quite sticky. You can either dust your rolling pin and roll directly on the dough, or fold the dusted parchment paper and you roll on top of it. When the dough is about 1 cm thick, use a cookie cutter or scraper to cut into whatever shape or size you like. Transfer the cut pieces to another baking tray lined with parchment paper. Repeat the rolling and cutting with the second dough. Add another tablespoon of flour on the parchment paper. Repeat the steps for the third and fourth pieces. This is how the crackers looks like before baking. Place the tray into the middle section of the oven and bake for 15 minutes. It is ready when the crackers have turned crispy and can be easily moved around with a spoon. Let the crackers cool down and store in an airtight container. It will stay crispy for up to 3 days. Enjoy these guilt-free crackers. Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.